Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix shipping address on eBay on your settings. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. So you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you here on settings window, then you just go down, then you click here on apps and it's going to take you here on apps window. Then you just go down and we will go to looking for eBay here. We will click here on eBay, then it's going to take us to next window here. Then you just click here on for stop and you click here on OK and you go down, then you click here on storage, then it's going to take you to storage window. Just click here on clear cache and you click here on clear data, and you have to do now, you just go to your Play Store and search for eBay app, then you click on update and it's going to fix your problem that you have. Thank you for your watching. So I wish now you I give it, so just follow this ways and it's going to fix your problem. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.